Hi guys, this is Nash. In YSPC admin panel, starting version 2012.7, you will find a new feature. It's called it will be actually found in security box, and it's called antivirus. Once you click on antivirus, it will show you this view. That's what you see on the screen right now. With 3 steps. Obviously, the disclaimer explains the original intention of this feature, and you can read that. This feature allows to find any file that is inconsistent with the latest YSPC. This feature only works correctly with latest YSPC. Therefore, if you do not have latest YSPC, then you should ask to upgrade your site first via ticket in Nash help desk. Let's begin this quick review. By clicking on step 1 button, the antivirus feature will check which version you have compared to the current version from YSPC. If it matches, we'll let you walk through this step 2. Once you click on step 2, the step 2 will actually update the YSPC antivirus signature file to make sure that there is no discrepancy against the stock files in YSPC. And step 3, final step 3, will begin the scan. So once you click on step 3, the antivirus feature will start scanning the files and folders on your server, and will compare them to the signature that antivirus signature that came from YSPC server. So you have to wait a few minutes or a few seconds. Once the scan has finished, you will see this view that will describe each file that is inconsistent with the stock YSPC files. The trick is that sometimes some files are marked as inconsistent because, for example, these files came from your users, uploaded by your users, or like, for example, skin files that you uploaded. So in that case, you can simply check mark those files that you actually created or user created, and click to allow them. You see this column says allow. Alright, so once you click save, submit, those files will be ignored during next scan. Alright, so it's scanning right now, saving first. And then it will scan. As you can see, after scan, once these 5 files, example files that I had added as allow files or ignore list, they end up on the allowed files list or manage. Right here, if you click this link, the YSPC will show you those 5 files that I just saved for the next scan, so not gonna show up in the scan. So once you add them to allow list, those files are not gonna be scanned, or they're gonna be ignored by the scan. Well, this feature is very useful in many instances. For example, you have a problem with some files, or some unknown files appeared on your server. That's how you can find them. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. Keep your eye on our blog that can be found at blog.nashbrooklyn.com. Thank you. Bye bye.